Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Sheets affiliate earnings tracker step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Click on the plus icon to create a new spreadsheet. In the first row, label the columns with the following headings: date, product, affiliate link, earnings, and notes. Under the date, in the product column, enter the name of the affiliate product. Paste the affiliate link in the affiliate link column. In the earnings column, input the amount earned from each affiliate sale. Use the notes column for any additional information relevant to the sale. To track total earnings, click on an empty cell below the earnings column. Type the formula equals sum, and then select the range of cells in the earnings column. Close the formula with a parenthesis. Press enter to see your total earnings calculated. To make this sheet visually appealing, you can format the cells. Highlight the header row and click on Format, then Text and choose Bold. To freeze the header row, click View, then Freeze, and select one row. You can customize the colors by selecting the cells and choosing a background color. To access this sheet easily in the future, consider renaming it. Click on File, then Rename, and input a meaningful title. To share this tracker with a partner, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Input their email address and adjust the permission settings as necessary. Review your settings to ensure data is kept secure and private. Regularly update the sheet with new sales data for accurate tracking. Now your Google Sheets affiliate earnings tracker is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.